The HYC is unhappy with the progress of the Mukroh incident and wants the culprits to be arrested. HYC General Secretary said even after all the assurances from the state government, the culprits who gunned down 5 innocent villagers are still roaming freely and no strict action has been taken against them. The HYC on Wednesday reiterated their opposition in connecting Meghalaya with the rest of the country through railways. HYC General Secretary Roy Kupar Sinrem said that until and unless a proper mechanism is put to check the inflow of illegal migrants, they will not even discuss the matter.
The government has approached the central for CBI inquiry, but till date we have not seen any action on the ground. The perpetrators of the crime, particularly the Assam police and the forest personnel, they have not been arrested or any stern action has been taken against them. So from the beginning only we have made it very clear that those people who are involved in this crime, they should be arrested as soon as possible. See, our stand is very clear. No railway until there's a regulation on the movement of people inside the state. So until and unless the central government comes out with a law which would regulate the movement of people from outside the state into the state, then we will not be welcoming railway into the state.